Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I have the last tutorial of the year and it had to be something blue. So without any delay, let's get on to the video. Let's start by priming my eyelids with the NYX Eyeshadow Base. This will ensure the eyeshadows stays put throughout the day. I have used the Beauty E55 Bright Matte Palette for the look. I'll take this salmon shade with a blending brush and press it in the crease area and slowly blend it outwards in circular motion. I'll build the shade slowly to intensify it, focusing on the outer corner. With the same brush, I'll take this pink shade and apply it in the outer corner and blend it outwards towards the brow bone. Next, I'll take this aqua blue shade. The shade is so bright, so I'll take the shade with a shader brush and press it and apply it in the inner half of my eyelids. Once I'm satisfied with the payoff, I'll take the blending brush and diffuse the edges to the pink shade. I'll darken the outer corner with this shade to give a dimension to it. I'll add some more blue to the eyeshadow to brighten it up a little. With the same flat brush, I'll apply the blue shade in my lower lash line. I'll line my waterline with some black kohl kajal pencil and also tightline my upper lash line. With a short shader brush, I'll diffuse the edges of the kohl pencil and blend it to the blue shade. With the same brush, I'll take the white eyeshadow and apply it in the inner corner. It will just brighten the eye look. I'll highlight my inner corner with a MAC highlighter, draw a small wing to define the eye. I'll apply some mascara and false lashes to finish the look. And here is the final look. It is blue, it is bright, and it is so easy to follow. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the products used are mentioned in the description box below. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you all next year.